Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Students, we were revising the chapter ratio and proportion by solving NCERT exemplar solutions. We solved in our previous sessions till the question number 80. So, we are left with 9 more questions. So, we shall solve from the question number 81 to question number 89, which are of the type long answer. Moving into the question number 81. The earth rotates 360 degrees about its axis in 24 hours. By how much degree will it rotate in 2 hours? See children, this is of the type unitary method. Angle of rotation by earth in 24 hours is 360 degrees. It is 360 degrees. Now, angle of rotation by earth in 1 hour. 360 degrees upon 24, it comes on cancellation 12 2s are 12 30s are 30 by 2 means 15 degree in 1 hour. Therefore, angle of rotation in 2 hours, for 1 hour 15 degree, for 2 hours 2 into 15 degrees, it will be 30 degrees. Next, question number 82. Shivangi is suffering from anemia as hemoglobin level in her blood is lower than the normal range. Doctor advised her to take 1 iron tablet 2 times a day, 1 for twice in a day. The cost of 10 tablets is rupees 17. Then what amount will she be required to pay her medical bill for 15 days? See children, it is again one way unitary method only. If you take 1 day, she has to consume or she has to take 2 tablets. I am not writing working steps, you write working steps. I will just explain, okay, you write the working steps. For 15 days, then 2 into 15, it is just nothing but 30 tablets she has to take. Cost of 10 tablets, which is rupees 17. Therefore, cost of 30 tablets will be 17 by 10 into 30. Again unitary method, if you want you can take, otherwise for 10 17, for 30 means 3 times are 30. So, 17 3s are, that way also can do it. It is rupees 17 3s are 51 rupees will be the cost of 30 tablets which she has to take for 15 days. Okay. Now, question number 83. The quarterly school fee in Kendriya Vidyalaya for class 6 is rupees 540. That means quarterly, you should know what is quarterly. In a 1 year, means in a year there will be 4 quarters. Quarter is just nothing but 1 by 4, which means therefore 1 quarter year is equals to 3 months. How 3 months will come? For 1 year 12 months. So, 12 months divided into 4 parts gives you 3 months. Okay? 12 months by 4 gives you 3 months. So, this is the logic. For 1 year 12 months, for 1 quarter 3 months. Here the quarterly fees, that means fees for 3 months, fees for 3 months is rupees 540, fees for 1 month is rupees 540 divided by 3, which gives you rupees 160 rupees, no 160 day 180, 8 4 is a 24, correct, 180 rupees. Therefore, fees for 7 months as they asked will be rupees 180 into 7, so rupees 1260 rupees. So, this is how we do it. Moving on to the question number 84. In an election, the votes cast for 2 candidates, there are only 2 candidates, were in the ratio 5:7. If the successful candidate received 20,734 votes, how many votes did his opponent receive? See children, whenever we get a ratio, best is to go for assuming the ratio constant. Let the ratio constant be x, therefore number of votes received by the winner is 7x, because he is winner will get more. Number of votes received by the loser means in that election loser is 5x. Now, the successful candidate, but the successful candidate DATE received 20,734 votes. Therefore, this 7x is equated to 20,734. It implies x equals to 20,734 divided by 7. Now, you know how to do cancellation, find out, you will get it as 2,962 as the value of x. Therefore, we will go for writing conclusion. Therefore, the opponent received how many votes? 2962 into 5 times. That means it's put together product is 14,810 votes. Okay. So, this is how we solve this question. Moving on to the question number 85. A metal pipe is 3 meters long, was found weighing 7.6 kg. What would be the weight of the same kind of 7.8 meter long pipe? It is a proportion type. Okay. 3 meter is to 7.6 kg should have same 7.8 meter is to, let us say I have taken weight as y kg. So, with the assumption that the weight of the pipe of 7.8 meter long is y kg, we will assume that. Okay. You have to assumptions, you have to write assumption. Okay. You know how to do assumption. Let the weight of the pipe of 7.8 meter long is y kg. Now, you know it is unitary method, product of means is equals to product of extremes. So, 7.6 into 7.8 upon 3 will be equal to y. Here 3 ones are 3 2s are 6 and 1. So, 3 6 are 18. So, 2.6 into 7.6 will give 19.76 kg. So, this is the weight of the pipe of weight of the pipe of 7.8 meter is 19.76 kg. We will write as conclusion. Moving on to the question number 86. A recipe for raspberry jelly calls for 5 cups of raspberry juice and 2.5 cups of sugar. Find amount of sugar needed for 6 cups of the juice. It is just very simple proportion type question. For 5 cups we need 5/2 cups of sugar. For 6 cups of juice we may require again y cups of sugar. Product of means, that is 5/2 into 6 upon this 5 should give y value 2 3s are 5 1s are 5 1s are. So, therefore, y is 3 cups of sugar. So, we can find like this. It is a proportion type question. Moving on to the question number 87. A farmer planted, this is very important question, a farmer planted 1890 tomato plants in a field in rows, each having 63 plants. See, in one row there are 63 plants, and how many are such rows we do not know. Okay. This is row 1, this is row 2 and this is row 3, but how many rows are there we do not know. Okay. A certain type of worm destroyed 18 plants in each row. How many plants did the worm destroy in the whole field? So, we don't know number of rows, we will assume that there are n number of rows. Okay. Here with that assumption I will start. Let the number of rows be assumed as n. Therefore, 63 into n should be equated to 1890 plants, where n equals to 1890 divided by 63, it implies 63 30s are, so there are 30 rows. Okay. Now, number of plants got destroyed in each row is 18. Therefore, number of plants got destroyed in 30 rows will be 18 into 30. Why? Because 30 rows are there. In one row 18 are getting destroyed. That means 18 into 30 will be the total number of plants got destroyed. Now 1830s are, the product is 540 plants. That means in that whole the field, out of 1890, 540 plants are destroyed by that worm. Okay. This is how we solve this question. Now moving on to the question number 88. Length and breadth of the floor of a room are 5 meter and 3 meter respectively. For tiles each with area 1 by 16 meter square are used to cover the floor partially, find the ratio of the tiled and non-tiled portion of the room. Now, area of the room. What is the area of the room? Length into breadth, where 5 meter into 3 meter gives 15 meter square. See children, in a room of 15 meter, you have got only some portion is covered by tiles. Okay. So, how many tiles are there? 40 tiles. What is the area of one tile? 1 by 16 meter square. Let us take that first. Area of one tile is 1 by 16 meter square. What is the area of 40 tiles? 1 by 16 into 40 meter square. Now on cancellation, 4 tens are, 4 fours are, 2 fives are 2. So it is 2.5 meter square will be the area of partially covered. So area of tiled portion is 2.5 meter square. Therefore, area of non-tiled portion in that room is 15 minus 2.5, that means 12.5 meter square. Now you are asked to find the ratio. How to find the ratio? Ratio of the tiled portion to the non-tiled portion is 2.5 upon 12.5. So 2.5 ones is to 2.5 fives are. So 1:5 is the answer. Now moving to the last question of this unit 8, ratio proportion. 89th question. A carpenter had a board measured 3 meter by 2 meter. She cut out a rectangular piece of 250 centimeter by 90 centimeter. What is the ratio of the area of cutout piece and remaining piece? See children, again here you need to know area of the whole board. So area of the whole board is 3 meter into 2 meter, nothing but 300 into 200 square centimeters. So which comes 60,000 centimeter square. Now area of cutout piece, which is of rectangular shape, so that's why 250 into 90 square centimeter, you know it is 250 into 90 gives you 22,500 square centimeter. Therefore area of the remaining portion or remaining piece is 60,000 minus 22,500 will be 37,500 square centimeters. Now ratio will be ratio of the area of cutout piece and the remaining piece will be 22,500 upon 37,500. If you find the cancellation simplified form or lowest form, you will get 3:5. Okay. With this, I have completed all the questions of unit number 8, ratio proportion, from the NCERT exemplar solutions. So take care of yourself. Wishing you good luck for your annual examination. Jai Hind. Thank you.